Hey, what's up YouTube? This video we have a 2007 Ducati Monster 695 ignition, and I've already done the EEPROM work to make the chip for this, and we've cut the key already. So if you're interested in seeing that, I'll link it up in the corner and the videos will be floating on the screen. And here's the key that we already made, but I just want to show you guys leashing this anyway. So I'm going to be using actually a Kawasaki Lishi for this. It's the KW14 / KA34 2-in-1 pick, and we'll go and we'll pick it and decode it real quick here. So we get some focus. There we go. And I got wafers on one side, so just putting some tension on it. And go through and look for binders. We got click on 1, 2. Okay, nothing on 3, 4. 5. Okay, 3 is binding here. Nice click on 3. I mean 6, I'm sorry. Okay, got a little rotation, so I just increased the tension with my thumb there. Okay, and 3 was just springy, 4 is binding, so we're going to pick 4. Nice click on 4. 5 springy, 6 springy, 7 springy, back to 1. Okay, 1 springy. Okay, 2 is binding. Nice click on 2. Got some more rotation on it, so I've increased the tension a little bit again. And we got to be getting close here. All right, 7's binding now. Nice click on 7. There we go. Got to click on 2, and we now have it picked into the on position. And then from here we can take a reading on it. Back in focus here. All right, and so we'll start position 1, and we have a 3, 3, 4, 1, 1, 3, and 1. So we got 3, 3, 4, 1, 1, 3, 1. And as far as I know, this code series isn't published. At least I couldn't find it anywhere, so I just entered that into my machine and cut it, and the key worked. And like I said, the video is going to be floating on the screen, cutting it with the Black Widow, so I'll check that out if you're interested. And check out the EEPROM. It's also floating on the screen. Questions or comments, put them in the comments. And till next time, we'll talk to everybody later.